Lucky Star, So Superior, Stock Road. And then came Tendi from the Iron Star. Tendi from the Iron Star. So Stock Road, So Superior. And then came Tendi, the Iron Star from Zig, the Iron Star, Circus Girl, and Wave Dancer, Circus Girl from Wave Dancer, Tendi, the Iron Star. Then came Zig from Circus Girl, the Iron Star, Lucky Star, the Iron Star from Lucky Star, the Iron Star from Lucky Star, Stock Road, Lucky Star from Stock Road, Derry City Felix, Derry City Felix from the Iron Star, Tendi, Zig, So Superior. Circus Girl. The Iron Star, Stock Road, the Iron Star. So Wave Dancer, Derry City Felix from the Iron Star, and then came Wave Dancer from the Iron Star, Zig, Tendi, Stock Road, Wave Dancer, and then came Lucky Star, Derry City Felix from the Iron Star, and then Circus Girl. Okay, Marta, yeah, it'll be hard to beat here. The Iron Star for sure on its home track, prepared locally by Marc Chevalier. Does a great job with his team, and Tyler Schiller booked to ride. Not a strong maiden overall. One of these 4-year-old nut maidens, so it does give one of these older horses an opportunity to win some good prize money. And you're taking out any of those up and comers. There's no 3-year-olds that are sort of going to come through and steal the prize, so to speak. So the Iron Star's got as good as form as any here. And it is the one that they've come for, late horse number 6. It's now 3:20 with number 1, Derry City Felix at 3:30, and then the 10, Wave Dancer at 3:50. So a competitive little market. They're about to be called up into the gates here for race number 2. If you just joined us this afternoon, the first favourite won the first, Frosterson, Kim Warren, Jay Ford. And the Iron Star's going to run favourite here in race number 2. So, we're just waiting on Circus Girl, who's been a bit slow to get around to the start. Robin Freeman arriving there now. In the meantime, I think they're about to start loading the rest of them. Yeah, the Iron Star and So Superior, the first 2 up into the gates. So Superior and the Iron Star are loaded, and here's Derry City Felix. So Derry City Felix takes up his spot. Now Wave Dancer looks like it'll be the next one to come along. So Wave Dancer and Louise Day take up their spots. Here's Tendi, lining up for his 12th run today. Tendi, prepared over at Warwick Farm by John Steinmetz. Reece Jones riding. Circus Girl comes forward. And the last three to load, Stock Road from Lucky Star and Zig. Zig's the grey. So Zig takes up its spot, and Lucky Star is the last one. This is the Pioneer Facilities Maintenance 4-year-old and up Maiden. Final look at the board sees your favourite as number 6, the Iron Star. Schiller for Marc Chevalier, prepared locally. And they're off. And the Iron Star came away a little worse than midfield, was second last to begin in fact, and So Superior with Wave Dancer with the first two to begin. Stock Road, it's going to land in third position. Derry City Felix going forward, and Zig just caught a little wide in the early stages, pushing on, and then came Tendi from the Iron Star Circus Girl. And Lucky Star is the last one. So it's So Superior running into the far turn by a length here to Wave Dancer in second position, 1,000 metres left to go. Zig's in third, but it's caught out there 3 wide, and Derry City Felix fourth getting a nice run. And then came Stock Road from Tendi, Lucky Star, the Iron Star, and Circus Girl is the last one. They've got 800 metres left to go, and it's So Superior by a neat length here. Getting away now, a length and a half, in fact, to Wave Dancer. Zig third, but hanging in there 3 wide. And then Derry City Felix. They were followed then by Stock Road from Tendi, Lucky Star. The Iron Star, the favourite, second last, going for a gap between runners to improve its position, and Circus Girl's the last one. So they're on the turn. 4:25 to go, and So Superior travels well. 2 in front to Wave Dancer and Derry City Felix, and then Stock Road. The Iron Star's got to the outside, and Tendi's run up behind the leader. Derry City Felix went to So Superior, and the Iron Star chiming in quickly. Derry City Felix, the Iron Star, and So Superior. Derry City Felix and the Iron Star. The Iron Star's just in front from Derry City Felix, and the Iron Star beat Derry City Felix. So Superior's run third. Circus Girl fourth. Wave Dancer. They were followed by Tendi, Stock Road, Zig, and the last one was Lucky Star. The Iron Star, the winner. The Iron Star first. Horse number 6, Schiller for Marc Chevalier. The gelding by Stratum Star. Well ridden there by Tyler. Was a fair way back coming to the home turn, and Tyler was sort of just pinching runs between them. Got the horse to the outside, and it was able to finish best from Derry City Felix, and So Superior, who led, has been able to run.
Simon Harrison, good afternoon to you. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome along to the program here at Kilcoy today. 7 events set down for decision. Track upgraded to a soft 6, railed true. Fine conditions outside. One late scratching to report. Race 6, horse 2, which is Hurricane Rosie, 9:28 this morning. Seems Logical is our favourite here for race 1. 170 out to 2:15. Emboldened 2:30. In from 3:10 and Better into Nude 4:20. In from $4.40. So there's only a small field here, 3 of them to partake of this, the opening race. This is the cutest 3-year-old handicap. We're running 800 metres. I'm with the outsider of the field at 4:20, the 2, which is Better into Nude, as they approach the gates. Just to recap those best bets for this morning. Race 3, horse 3, Sir Memphis. Race 4, horse 1, Gratification. Back soon with a look at race 1.